Hey guys, today we're going to be making some green juice. Here's some of the recipe that we'll be using. We'll be putting this in our juicer. This drink is becoming increasingly popular because it is good for your skin, hair, energy level, weight loss, and to help boost your immune system. As you saw, the ingredients we'll be working with today are green apples, cucumbers, lime, ginger, spinach, and we're gonna top it off with some strawberries at the end. All right, let's get started. So I like to cut up my fruit and vegetables. You don't have to cut it up a lot, just enough to fit through the tube here. So this is the cucumber that I'm putting in first. And I like to make enough for 2 or 3 days so that it doesn't spoil. So as you can see here, cucumbers are very juicy. It's producing a lot of juice for us, which is a very good thing. Cucumber is good for many things, including hydration, blood pressure, and better skin, weight loss. Alright, so here I added an entire bag of spinach. I didn't hit the record button, so you didn't get to see it, but here's a little leaf I found laying on the side. But spinach is one of my favorite ingredients to add into green juice. Spinach is one of those dark leafy vegetables that has tons of benefits, including reducing blood sugar, aiding in weight loss, it's good for your eyes, has anti-inflammatory properties, helps keep your body relaxed. Alright, and I've already started adding the limes here. I just diced the limes in half, and Baker's Dough has been helping me with this one. You can't see them here. But limes are good for improving immunity, reducing heart disease risk, preventing kidney stones, aids iron absorption, promotes healthy skin. Lots of good benefits with lime. Keep in mind there's many different ways to make green juice, different ingredients that you can add. This is the most generic way to make it. Now I'm gonna start cutting up my ginger. Ginger is a little bit harder, so I like to cut it into small pieces here. Ginger is one of my favorites to add into green juice as well. And some of the benefits of ginger: it helps improve blood circulation, relieves stomach discomfort, reduces pain and inflammation, prevents cold and flu, and boosts your immunity overall. What you'll notice with the ginger, it does give the green juice a nice little kick and flavor. I personally like it. Next, I'm going to be adding in some green apples. Again, I just diced these up a little bit just so it can fit better in this tunnel. And I'm just going to go ahead and add in the apples here, just a couple at a time. Again, Baker's Dough is helping with this one. Some of the health benefits you'll see from consuming green apples is a good amount of vitamins and minerals that help your body function optimally and just contributes to your overall well-being. Lots of B vitamins. This plays an essential role in energy. Green apples are a great source of vitamin A. This aids in vision health. So again, just a lot of good benefits that comes from this green juice overall. Apples are another one of those fruits that produces a lot of juice. They're very juicy, as you can see. You don't have to drink green juice every day, but adding it into your diet here and there or sporadically can do wonders for you and help with your overall energy. I chose green apples because obviously we're making green juice. You can use red apples. It's not going to be too much a difference. You're still going to get that green look because of the spinach and the cucumbers. Those ingredients are what's really turning this juice green. So we have quite a few more apples to go, and then we're gonna move on to the strawberries. Now, adding strawberries is an optional choice. I just chose to add something to give it a little bit more variety. Strawberries contain antioxidants, including vitamin C, and can support your immune system and may lower your chances of getting sick when you're around germs. So, strawberries was just a perfect ingredient to add into this green juice. The juice will still remain green in color. The red is not going to do much to it. It's not going to mix too well, so you'll just want to make sure you're stirring and mixing it up before you drink it. Alright, so we're about done here adding the strawberries. We're going to go ahead and move the mixer out of the way and mix up our juice. I wouldn't personally leave any of these ingredients out because they all offer so many good benefits and they all come together so well. And let's go ahead and mix up our juice like this. I don't know about you, but this looks really good to me and I can't wait to try it. And we will just drink this first thing in the morning before we start our day and when we eat our breakfast. And pour a nice big cup here. Looks very good and very quenching.